Want to rethink the way your home uses space? These clever furniture pieces and hidden room ideas transform small corners into functional, stylish spots without any extra effort. From expandable designs to smart foldaways, everything here helps you do more with the space you already have. All links are in the description. Ever wish your workspace could disappear when you're done? This fold-up desk gives you a full setup that opens in seconds and hides away just as fast. You can fit 2 screens side by side, giving you that roomy, focused feel without taking over your home. The smart mounts let you tilt, slide, or rotate your monitors, and you can tuck your laptop and keyboard behind them to keep everything neat. With built-in cable management, soft open hinges, and a clean wood finish, it keeps your space looking sharp, whether it's open or closed. If you love furniture that feels like a little escape, this chair is exactly that. It opens up into a cozy recliner with folding armrests, so you can sit upright, lean back, or just sink in and relax. The cushioned design wraps around you, making it perfect for reading, scrolling, or napping. And when you need the space back, it folds down quickly. A stylish, creative seat that brings comfort wherever you put it. Imagine a wall that quietly transforms into everything you need. This clever system starts as a sleek display with a roomy fold-out table for work or dinner, then smoothly turns into a queen-size bed when it's time to rest. The soft open mechanism keeps every transition quiet and effortless, and the table folds away automatically as the bed lowers. You can add shelving for books and decor, turning it into a full feature wall with hidden storage. What if your basement could disappear when not in use? This pop-up staircase rises smoothly from the floor, giving you instant access below. The built-in railings lift up automatically, so safety comes first without extra hassle. When you're done, it folds away neatly, leaving your floor completely clear. Strong, sturdy, and easy to operate, it's a clever way to save space while keeping your home functional and stylish. Imagine a secret door hidden seamlessly in a stone wall. With the press of a button, the wall transforms, revealing a hidden passage that can lead anywhere you want. Perfect for adding mystery, convenience, or extra space, this clever mechanism blends into its surroundings while giving you instant access to a private area, all at the touch of a button. Here's a mirror with a secret. At first glance, it looks like a simple full-length mirror you'd hang in any hallway or bedroom. But give it a pull, and it swings open like a regular door, revealing a hidden space behind it. You can use it to access a closet, a storage room, or a private nook without disrupting your decor. It installs just like a normal doorway, giving you style on the outside and mystery on the inside. Imagine having your own hidden world at home. A small wooden panel opens with a press of a button, revealing a secret door to a private room. Inside, more hidden compartments are tucked under shelves and behind clever panels, perfect for valuables or keepsakes. Everything feels seamless and surprising, like a real-life puzzle. It's secure, sleek, and adds a thrilling touch of mystery to your space. Meet the cart that changes shape with your needs. Wooden trays fold out to create a full serving or utility cart in seconds. When you're done, it folds back down, slim enough to slide into tight corners or between furniture. The vintage design adds charm while staying practical, letting you serve, store, or move items effortlessly. It's the perfect mix of style and clever functionality for any home. Step up your space-saving game with stairs that appear when you need them. These counterbalance stairs fold down smoothly from the ceiling, giving instant access above. The moment you're done, they snap back up automatically, closing quickly and quietly. The transition is seamless and effortless, so you barely notice it in action. It's a smart, efficient solution for tight spaces that keeps your home sleek and functional. Travel back in time with a desk that's full of character. This classic 1950s house bureau features a walnut veneer body and a fold-out writing surface ready for work or creativity. Inside, you'll find plenty of storage compartments, a drawer, and a pull-out shelf to keep everything organized. Black lacquered feet add a sleek contrast, while built-in lighting illuminates the interior for easy use. It's a timeless piece that blends style, function, and charm effortlessly. Here's a workspace that completely reinvents itself. By day, it's a full office setup with a wide desk, shelves, and room for dual monitors. When you're done, the desk folds in, and the whole unit rotates to reveal a queen-size bed. No clearing shelves, no unplugging anything. You can even mount a TV or keep it all shelving if you prefer a cleaner look. With cable pass-throughs, built-in storage, and a comfy memory foam mattress, it turns one room into two without giving up style or space. If you love furniture that feels just as thoughtful as it looks, this transforming sofa is one of those pieces that instantly stands out. The armrests actually swivel outward, giving you extra seating or a relaxed spot to lean without rearranging anything. The whole design has this soft, sculptural feel that works in minimal, modern, or cozy interiors. It's the kind of multifunctional piece that fits naturally into any living space. Here's a clever piece that looks simple on the outside, but hides a fun twist once you get closer. This drawer chest comes with a built-in secret compartment you can customize, so you can stash personal items without changing the look of your room. The drawers glide smoothly, the edges are clean, and you can pick the color or size that works for your space. It's a subtle upgrade with a smart hidden bonus tucked inside. Meet the sofa that does more than just sit pretty. Slide the back end to reveal a hidden table, perfect for drinks or snacks. There's even a sliding tray underneath to store bottles neatly out of sight. It's clever, compact, and keeps your living space organized without extra furniture. Stylish, functional, and surprising, this sofa brings smart design right into your home. Ever wish your living room doubled as a gym? This flat sofa hides a treadmill underneath that pops out when you need it. Sit back and relax, then switch to workout mode without taking up extra space. The transition is smooth and simple, keeping your home tidy and functional. It's a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and clever design. This vintage piece brings a bit of design magic to any dining space. Created by Erwin Nagel for Rosenthal, the Quadrondo Table shifts from round to square with a simple unfold of its 4 sections. The ash veneer top sits on a solid sculptural base, giving it both presence and versatility. It's a standout from the 80s that still feels fresh, functional, and beautifully made. This table set adapts to your every need. A thin table slides out to become a full dining table, ready for meals or gatherings. One of the chairs even extends into a bench, giving you extra seating in seconds. When you're done, everything slides back neatly to save space. Stylish, flexible, and clever, this set makes small spaces feel big and functional. The Elevate Bunk Sleeper is a smart, space-saving solution that turns one sofa into 2 beds in seconds. Crafted with a sustainable hardwood frame and premium HR foam mattresses, it offers comfort without compromise. Thoughtful safety features, integrated storage, and removable cushions make conversion effortless, while certified fabrics and eco-friendly materials ensure durability. Perfect for modern homes, it combines innovation, practicality, and style in one compact design. This clever mirror transforms your space with hidden storage. When closed, it's a sleek, full-length mirror. When opened, It reveals a spacious cabinet perfect for organizing clothes, shoes, accessories, or everyday essentials. Designed to maximize vertical space, it keeps your room tidy while adding a stylish, functional focal point. Ideal for bedrooms, closets, or entryways, it's a smart combination of elegance and practicality. The cloud bed brings futuristic convenience to your bedroom. By day, it stays tucked up against the ceiling, creating a cozy sofa space underneath. At the touch of a button, the bed gently slides down, giving you a full sleeping surface in seconds. Perfect for small apartments, multifunctional rooms, or modern interiors, it combines smart engineering, comfort, and style to maximize space without compromising on luxury. The Future Automation SPS sliding panel system delivers a stunning transformation for any space, allowing your TV to disappear seamlessly behind one or two wall panels at the touch of a button. When not in use, the screen is fully concealed, then effortlessly revealed flush with the surrounding wall when needed. Offering single and split panel options, customizable cabinetry designs, and a space-efficient layout, the system combines unique functionality with elegant engineering, even suitable for marine environments. A bookshelf door doubles as both storage and a secret passage. From the outside, it looks like a stylish, functional bookshelf, perfect for displaying books and decor. But behind its shelves lies a hidden door, giving access to a private room, storage space, or safe area. It's a clever combination of design, functionality, and security, blending seamlessly into any home while keeping your secrets discreet. The UBLS Underbed TV Lift and Swivel is a sleek, space-saving solution that stores your flat-screen TV discreetly under the bed and swivels it into view when needed, offering multiple viewing angles without the need for cabinetry at the foot of the bed. Available in the motorized UBLS EBF version with a flap that opens and closes automatically, it ensures smooth, near-silent operation. This smart ladder is designed to pivot inward toward the wall, minimizing its footprint when it's not in use. Ideal for small spaces like a bunkie, it keeps the area open and uncluttered while still providing safe, easy access when needed. Its clever design perfectly balances functionality, space-saving efficiency, and style for compact living. Ever wish your valuables could just disappear in plain sight? This wall shelf has a secret compartment that keeps your items safe and out of view. The matte black finish with smooth, multi-layer sanding looks sleek while hiding its clever storage. You can choose a magnetic or other locking mechanism, and it even works with burglar alarms. The outer shelf holds up to 8 kilograms, and the hidden compartment supports 5 kilograms, making it perfect for small treasures or collectibles. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.